A staggering 75% of people who try to lose weight end up gaining it back, which is why it's no surprise that the gelatin trick has taken the internet by storm, particularly on TikTok where it's been trending for weeks. I mean, who wouldn't want a simple, daily ritual that can help you wake up feeling more refreshed and alert without the bloat and discomfort that often comes with dieting? The gelatin trick is all about incorporating a small amount of gelatin into your daily routine, and the results are pretty fascinating. My friend, who's been doing the gelatin trick for a few weeks now, swears by its ability to help her drop that heavy feeling after a big meal. And she's not alone. Thousands of people on TikTok are raving about the gelatin trick and how it's helped them achieve their wellness goals. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in my description for a straightforward guide on how to get started. And take a look at the pinned comment below for some helpful tips from our community. Head to the link and pinned comment to learn more about the gelatin trick and start your own wellness journey today.